Abu Dhabi, until recently it was overshadowed by neighboring Dubai, known worldwide for its grandiose projects. But all that seems set to change. Riding on windfall profits from record high oil prices, the Emirate has become a regional financial superpower. Flush with cash from the oil boom, Abu Dhabi, the wealthiest of the UAE's 7 emirates, has its eye on new investments ranging from fine arts to films to sports. And by this strategic investment, Abu Dhabi hopes to propel itself into the global map by becoming a cultural hub and the top tourist destination. Abu Dhabi's state-run investments have bought Manchester City Football Club, acquired a stake in Ferrari, General Electric, Carlyle and Citigroup banks. Only recently, a local telecommunications company, Etisalat, acquired a 45% stake in the startup Indian mobile operator Swan Telecom. The deal is estimated at $900 million. Now, another company, the Abu Dhabi Media Company, is vying for dominance in the entertainment industry. With $1 billion to spend, the company is pushing to become one of the world's top producers of feature films and digital content.
A year ago, we did a deal with Warner Brothers, and that deal was to create content for films and video games. And so the new investment in content is really is an extension of that strategy to continue to create content for the global marketplace, which in the digital age is certainly something that a company in Abu Dhabi can participate in.
For critics, the whole thing is nothing more than a buying spree. For others, it's a smart move to find alternative ways of generating income when oil deposits are depleted.
The world is becoming much smaller. Everybody is linked to everybody. Whenever we see a problem in the financial system in the US, we see it rippling across the world, whether it's Asia or even here, Middle East, or even here in GCC. Diversification of their investments, of the surplus that we've seen generated by the excess income from the oil market is really has been very important for them to go and diversify it into areas to make sure that when those oil prices, if they do in the future, as we've seen probably 10 years ago, go down, prices go down, that there are other sources of income to make sure that the development cycle does not stop or slow down in those times.
Most of the Gulf state-run funds and investment companies have been sharply criticized by experts who urge that they be taken over by the private sector to improve their investment performance and increase transparency. Such calls have been shrugged off by local authorities. For them, the scale of their ventures show an emirate keen to become one of the main investors in the global economy. Hashem Ahelbarra, Al Jazeera, Abu Dhabi.